CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO here with your crypto gains and market update. Okay, people, last night was a doozy. I'm here on BitScreener looking at Bitcoin. And as we see, when Bitcoin kind of had this big spike down, it pulled all the other altcoins down. Looking at the 1 day chart, we went from about 17,000 all the way down to 12,000. So the reason I'm putting this update out today is many reasons. Number one, the core technology of Bitcoin is not going anywhere. What we have is a natural consolidation and pullback in the market. If we pull out a little further on the charts, you're going to see that Bitcoin, from the start of its run of about 6,600, went to 20,000 in a month. And the reality here is it was overextended, and we were expecting a pullback. I mean, this is pretty natural. Any kind of asset or commodities, if it had crashed, as all these YouTubers are proclaiming in their video titles and stuff, you would really need to worry if we were going below this 6,256 point. That is when you know that you got your panties dropped, in other words. But what we've got here is a nice oscillation, still popping down a little bit. As you can see on the 6 month, we haven't even hit the moving average on the 50-day. So, I think we were expecting the 10,000 mark at the worst case scenario. Once again, what you have is some profit taking, and the reality is by the time you sell your Bitcoin or your alt currency, unless you're going to USD fiat, and let's say you're using Coinbase as your primary, I mean, your funds are going to be locked up for a week, and quite honestly, you're going to see this thing come down, bounce off this line, and shoot back up. Where do I think it's going after this? We'll touch down and maybe see a bounce to 14 or 15 in the upcoming week. But the main thing is hold strong. If anything, you should be able to minimize your losses if you're worried about getting your money. But if you're in for the long run, enjoy the ride. It's a little roller coaster, and stay in there. I mean, we definitely saw like all these big coins like XVG, which everyone was going bananas about. It got hit all the way down here to 7 cents. And I'll tell you what, this is a really great coin. I mean, if you have any extra cash on the side, you definitely could. I mean, you can see in the RSI it's really oversold. This baby's going to pop back. This one's going to be a really, really good performer, and it's a great opportunity to get in. Ripple even got smashed, and this is again, this is why you don't chase price. It's one thing to wait for a nice solid price action or sell when it's going sideways on consolidation, but trading these peaks up and down, quote, day trading, it is risky. And that's why, I personally like to create some passive income, in these situations, so that you're still making money even when other people aren't. Like my BitConnect account, it's great. It still pays every day. And actually, I've got some big news coming up with BitConnect here, hopefully in the next couple weeks. And I also have a mining contract with Genesis that's creating me passive income. And I think that's kind of one of the keys here in all this is, number one, price swings are going to happen. Number two, if you're chasing those prices, you're going to get burnt. You're going to get burnt between the fees and losing out, and you don't know when it's going to stop. You can't chase price. So watch this oscillation, because when it comes back up, I mean, it could hit off this line hard, and then you're going to see some really, really nice gains. But hang in there, you know. When your portfolio does come back, think about some, passive income opportunities like BitConnect or Genesis Mining, so that you always have money coming in, because ultimately, the passive income is where the money's at. Day trading is great. You're going to make some money, but, make it an ends to a mean, because, you don't want to be glued to the TV every single day watching your prices go up and down. But anyways, that is the update today, 12/22/2017. Stay strong, hodl on, and stay calm. CryptoSLO out.